Very short digest about the main attractions of natural reserve Ras Mohammed in the south of Sinai. Initially, tourists usually tourists are staying in such Barracuda Bay, very nice place. This is the main gate to the desert. Yes, it sounds curious. The gate to the desert. Yeah. And this is the first attraction of Ras Mohammed, Allah Gate. Yeah, it was erected as a symbol of peace between Egypt and Israel at the beginning of 1970s. Yeah. A lot of tourists usually are staying here to make a lot of photos. If you are staying from the Egypt side, you can see in Arabic alphabet the word Allah. Okay, to come to natural reserve, there are two ways: by bus or by car. Yeah. And also here is another way, alternative way, by sea or by vessel. Yeah. Usually for diving. Of course, when you're coming to Ras Mohammed by sea, yes, you will not be able to visit some mangrove forests, for example, or another places. But on the other hand, you can dive here, yes, and you can visit White Island. Guides say that in the reefs around these reefs are the most picturesque in the whole Red Sea. Yes, I can agree with them. I cannot say about the amount of fishes, but about the range, the types of fishes. Yes, here you can meet a lot of fishes which you are not be able to see in the reefs near the Sharm itself, near the Sharm city. So the diversity of the fishes here is much more. The water is very crystal here, by the way, much more clear in comparison with Sharm. Another attraction when you are traveling by sea, and there is a White Island, but it's not island, it's very, very, very small sand spit. Yeah. And usually the area maybe 10 meters, as you can see on the video, and sometimes it's under the water. Yeah. So just white sand and nothing. If you are traveling by ground, by bus or by car. You can visit yes, you can visit this I don't know, big hole, we can say, in the ground, and with salt water inside. Again, nothing special, friendly speaking, but guides usually take tourists here to see it. Very small canyon, we can say. Yeah, you can stay here for 10 minutes maximum. Next stop is Vicious Lake. Guides say that if you can sit in the water 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and the water will be above your head, and after this you can make some wish, you can create some wish, and it will come to the true. I don't know, and all the tourists do it, of course. Yeah. Here, as for me, it's more interesting this mangrove, maybe I pronounced it the wrong way, mangrove bushes or mangrove forests. This is the only unique plant in the world which can generate fresh water from salt water. And the surface of leaves of this plant usually are covered with salt. Yeah. And a lot of tourists they come to such bushes and they are trying to taste these leaves to understand is it true or not. Yeah. For example, like this young lady, what she's doing now, and the guides immediately rush and say it's forbidden, don't do it. Okay, I understand, because there are a lot of tourists and everyone will come to taste leaves. After a short period, no leaves will be here. And finally, there is some Bedouin village to drink some tea or to have a lunch. Naturally of Ras Mohammed.